Welcome to another edition of Stirring It Up. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for staying tuned. We have Chef Ian Leday, Chef John Post.
Staying tuned? Why would anybody not stay tuned?
Well, they're tuning in to this program.
Oh, okay, good.
You know, this is kind of the beginning of Holy Week. Easter's this Sunday.
I know. Can you imagine? Flying through. And of course, when I think of Holy Week, I think of cupcakes.
And I think of Peeps.
Church too. But I mean,
how did Peeps get into the Easter thing? That's crazy.
Well, that was founded in St. James, Louisiana.
Oh, no.
Yeah, well, that's another whole story. Anyway, what we're making our little cupcakes here.
So
we got
flour, and I got baking soda. We're gonna sift the dry ingredients together.
Try to keep it in the bowl.
I can keep it in the bowl. It's all good.
I'm gonna put a little salt down in there as well.
Yeah, there you go.
And Chef, what are you doing here?
So I'm starting with the wet ingredients. I have some butter and sugar. Just creaming these together, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in egg yolks one at a time.
Okay, got those egg yolks?
Yep, so we're gonna do egg yolks in.
There you go. Oh, I'm ready.
Get those mixed
We're not
in.
going to serve that out in the front of the house.
No, we're not. We got to bring in the cleaning crew. Okay, we got all.
So our egg yolks are in.
Okay,
I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some vanilla.
Okay, good.
And then once this comes together, you guys are gonna slowly add the dry into the wet.
It's sifted dry.
And y'all, cupcakes are truly American invention back from the 1700s. Yeah. And we consume how many thousands and thousands and thousands, 700 million or something?
1700s, it must be stale by now. Thank you for the courtesy chuckle.
All right, there you go. Now you can mix it up. So that's your batter for the.
And we're gonna go ahead and add in some milk too.
We're gonna add that, okay.
When do I do
go into the oven, right?
Yep.
When do I do this?
So that we're going to do after we bake them.
Okay, y'all, it's going into the oven, and by the time I clean all of this up, you'll be back.
Ooh.
You know, the world's largest cupcake was over 2,000 pounds. A ton, one cupcake.
No.
Yeah,
We can decorate that, right?
Yeah. So Johnny, you know how to use a piping bag?
My uncle smoked pipes all the time. But I think you mean
Yeah, that's how it goes in your mouth.
I have a 3-year-old daughter at home who could maybe
Look at
show
that.
you a thing or two.
Look at that.
Take it easy. Don't press too hard, Johnny. I know you want to get in there. Oh, look how beautiful you're doing, huh?
We need to put a little candy on top, don't we?
No, you don't have to do that.
You
That's
gotta
our
finish
job.
piping.
Finish piping right here.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all,
One thing at a time.
I think you got the idea. If Johnny can get the stuff out of the bag, we can decorate a little bit. Anyway, anything goes, and this is where the kids come in, and that's what Easter is all about, y'all. And that's what the cupcakes look like when I finish decorating them, right there.
Yours look
Don't
a
forget
little
the Peeps.
nicer than mine.